So who's paying for the bill, Kalia?
Me.
Why are you paying for the bill? Because what? How much is it? Look at the price. How much is the bill? 1650. Why are you gonna pay for it? Because you're very good. Okay. Where's the money at? Here, look at Titi's purse. Look in Titi's purse. Get the money. Get the money for Titi. Hurry up. Pay the bill. Pay the bill, cause you're rich. Okay. Open it. Hurry up. Hurry up. You got 20 seconds to pay the bill, or I'm out. What? More money. More money. More money. More money. Okay. Count. How much is that? Okay. Okay. Get the American Express card. Get the American Express card. The blue one. The blue one. The blue one. Go. 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 Okay. All right. We will.